Hello, hello friends. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all the creations that I've made through the week. So let's get to it. First up, we have this card that was made for the Craft and Kimmy Saturday Challenge, which was 2 or more layers. I've been wanting this stamp set for so long, and it finally was restocked. It's called Sandy Toes, and it's the perfect summertime stamp set. And I had so much fun with her. I used some of that paper that I got on my crafty road trip, and then on the inside I just stamped her in yellow. So that was that one. Next up was the little collab that I did with some of the Not Too Shabby design team. So I made these cards. I do have, forgot to say, all the links to the videos or blog posts are in the description box if you want to know more details about these. Guess I didn't show the inside of that one. I think this is one of my favorites, and I just love that sketch. And there's that one. Next up was Mermaid Monday, and I do have a coloring video for this little cutie. I just love these fish. I used a stencil and some distress inks for the background there, so it's really subtle, and I just stamped her on the inside. So that was a super fun Mermaid Monday card. And I have this card that I made to announce that I was joining the Not Too Shabby video team. That bear just cracks me up. You're the bee's knees. So sweet, and I love those bees. Next up, we have this gal who's ready for the beach. I have a coloring video up for her too. Avery with Seashell from Paper Nest Dolls. Some very old retired Stampin' Up paper, but I just love the colors. I added some banners. I guess I'm on a banner kick. I've been doing that a lot lately. And then for the first of the month, there's a new stamp of the month at Craft and Kimmy Stamps. If you spend $75 before taxes and shipping, you get this stamp free. It's called Once Upon a Time. I just love that fairy coming out of that book, and I did my own little scene there. This grass was kind of a labor of love, because I started out, I was going to do gray, and then I was going to do brown, and then I did green, so it has lots and lots of layers, but I like how it turned out, and I added those little like trees in the background, and then I just stamped her on the inside. Really like how that one turned out. And then it was time for the Not Too Shabby release of the box of the month. Just used some ephemera on that one and put that on the inside. And then this one, I just love how I got that sparkle on that stencil there in the paper, and I don't rise and shine, I caffeinate and hope for the best. So there are all my cards that I created this week. Again, all the links are in the description box below. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section below. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and click that bell for notification. Today I have lots of videos going up, so please check back. And until my next video, I hope you go do something crafty, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.